Wow, it's great to be back with you guys. I'm so blessed to be able to come and share my heart. There's a lot on my heart today too. And we're going to really start to expand on what we talked about last time I was here. Who remembers some of the things we talked about? Yeah. Being kind. What else do we? If someone's being bullied, you have the courage to stand up for others and yourself too. Yeah, what else? Hurt people, but healed people, heal people. What's the M stand for? Anybody remember? Miracle. Okay, all right. What else?
Everyone's equal.
Say it again.
Everyone's equal.
Everyone's equal, right? That we try to see everybody as human beings before anything else. Yeah.
Look at someone's heart first.
Look at someone's heart first. That's a big one. What else? Showing love, being peaceful. Awesome. One more? Yeah. Never judge someone by how they look. Wow, you guys are great. You guys are ready to be motivational speakers yourself. I like that. But look, a big part of the message that we're going to really keep on going today, talking about, dealt with the fact that we're all unique, that all of us are special in our own sense, that we are different. We have to celebrate that and appreciate that in everybody.